Navigating your way through testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, can present challenges, but with the right approach, you can overcome them gracefully and informed. Here are some tips to help you along the way. Number one, educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Understanding the ins and outs of TRT is crucial. Research the benefits, risks, and potential side effects. Number two, communicate with your healthcare provider. Open communication with your healthcare provider is crucial. Discuss your concerns, your goals, and changes you experience throughout your journey. Consistency with treatment. So, stick to your treatment plan. Missing doses can definitely impact your progress and your results. Number four, monitor your progress and adjustments. Regular monitoring your progress with blood work and check-ins with your provider is definitely necessary because there may be adjustments to your treatment plan that are necessary. And last, lifestyle changes or lifestyle factors. Optimize your lifestyle to support your TRT journey. This includes maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, managing your stress, and definitely getting adequate sleep. Remember, overcoming obstacles with TRT takes patience, persistence, and a proactive approach. Stay informed, stay positive, and you can navigate your way through TRT obstacles gracefully. Thank you so much for watching, and please share my